We're out at Showtime Drag Strip, Wednesday, March 24th, 2021. It's a nice night here in South Florida. Warm ambient temperatures, low 80s. The Tesla should run a little bit faster tonight. We haven't received the Plaid yet, so we're still racing Tesla Model S Performance, what they call the Raven powertrain. Still winning a lot. Hopefully we'll win a lot tonight. All right, this Trans Am can run a mid-6. See the big Mickeys on there. ET Streets. Roll cage. Good amount of nitrous on this motor. He had a problem with his trans brake. He rolled right through the beams. So that primer gray Firebird was having some kind of issues with his brakes. He couldn't hold the power at the light, so he just rolled right through. He's gonna make another pass now, see if he can get it sorted out. All right, we came out tonight with 94%. We've made one pass. He's 1% on that first pass. Looks like this second race is gonna be against this white Mustang here. Be in ludicrous mode as usual. I haven't seen this Mustang run before, so I'm not taking any chances here. We both red light, didn't we?
Yeah, 677 at 101, almost 101.
Oh, I had him covered then.
Yeah.
I cut the light just a little bit too tight on the 010 to his 007. 4 thousandths of a second that I red lighted worse than he did. I had him covered on ET at 677 to a 683, but a good close fun race anyway. Fourth race of the night. I just realized it's going to be our 800th time slip. Showed up tonight with 796 time slips. This is our fourth race of the night. So this Z28 here looks like a 1968. It's on full slicks. It's running it into the sixes tonight. Great looking car, and it's got plenty of power, plenty of tire. It should be a fun race, hopefully a close race. Maybe he's he's got a problem with his trans brake as well.
101.
Everybody's red lighting on me tonight. What did he ET?
Half a second.
692.
Yeah.
But 500, that's the maximum you could red light, right? It means he actually did more than that, doesn't it?
No.
When he did a...
Well, it actually counts.
Okay.
That's actually a half a second.
All right. That's a pretty big red light. So the 68 Z28 had a problem with his trans brake and he just rolled through the light. The same problem that gray Firebird was having earlier. So a lot of red lights, a lot of launch issues for the other cars out here tonight. It's like my buddy with the Grand National. The Buick Grand National called me out immediately. So he wants me. We'll see what happens here. All right, we're running the Buick Grand National, and he's got his full slicks on. He came ready to race. He had some kind of failure there half track too. Well, something definitely went wrong for that Grand National just now. He got way out on me. He red lit by almost 0.2 of a second, but his 60 foot was screaming 148 to my 153s. He was moving, but then he shut it down half track. I'll have to talk to him and see what went wrong. All right, we're gonna have a rematch against the 68 now. Thinks he's got his trans brake issue sorted out. We're gonna run it back. All right, this 68 Camaro Z28 wanted to run it back. He thinks he's got his issues sorted out. We're running pretty similar times, so it should be a good race. Hopefully he gets a good launch this time. Here we go. It's gonna be close. He's right on my door. Yeah. Wow, nice close race that was. That was the race we were trying for earlier. That'd have been a nice race for my 800th time slip, but worth the wait nonetheless. Clean launch, no red light for a change. What have we seen, like 4 or 5 red lights tonight already, including the one I had.
Same numbers on the finish line, 682.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, so it's all in the light.
Yeah.
Nice.
1.7 for you and 3.1 for him.
Nice, nice. Awesome race. Thanks, man. We both had 682s. It's kind of like last Wednesday. Me and the 71 Z28 both ran, was it 679s? Side-by-side 679s, and here it is tonight, side-by-side 682s. Both against Z28s nonetheless. Look at that. What a coincidence, both against Z28s. We've got Godzilla, the mighty Nissan GTR all-wheel drive out here tonight. His GTR's got a whole lot more tire than the Tesla does. It's got Pilot Super Sports 335 on a 20-inch wheel, 335 millimeter in the back compared to a 245 on the Tesla. And then the front is a 285. So he's got 40 millimeters in front, 90 millimeters in back compared to the Tesla. It's a lot more tire on a stickier Pilot Super Sport. All right, we're running the GTR. Couple all-wheel drive cars, no burnout. Too close. Well, where'd he go? We're at a 0.7 light. Get off the tree. That's unfortunate. You know, you want a close race, but you can't give a guy a move or something and then wind up losing by 1/100 of a second, like this past weekend. All right, that might be it for the night. Yeah. So, how about the numbers on that ticket?
I can't even see my glasses on.
Well, let's see. I had a 682.8 and you had a 682.6. So you were 2 thousandths better than me. About a mile-an-hour difference. I was a mile an hour ahead of you, but if we'd have left together, you'd have just crossed that line first by 2 thousandths of a second.
Well, I tell you what.
Yeah.
I'm pleased with it. I mean, because I remember the first time we ever raced you.
Yeah.
I had you off the line, and you left me like I was like going in reverse.
How did it launch? Did you foot brake or did you trans brake?
Trans brake.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
And it seemed to work okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Good.
That time it did. But my
Good.
reaction time was a 0.3 something. So
You'll get there. I mean, it's a different launch, so
yeah. I'm new at this. I'm learning the car. I'm not a racer. So this is all new. It's all new to me. So.
Yeah. Well, good race, man.
Scott, I was glad to see you out here.